Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to play NBA Live Mobile for beginners. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone, and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the middle, you're gonna find some modes, like you're gonna find Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, limited time events, showdown, and lastly campaigns. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and sets. So you can click, for example, we're gonna click on showdowns. As you can see, guys, those are the available modes. You can just click on find opponents, and then you will find an online opponent to play against. I'm gonna go back. So if you are a beginner in NBA Live Mobile, I recommend you to click on campaigns first. And then once you click on campaigns, right here you're gonna find the Rising Stars. Go ahead and click on it. And then click on volume 1. And after that, you're gonna find all of the available missions in volume 1. For example, we're gonna click on this one. And then click on play. Here in first win, as you can see, guys, you can earn this currency. So we're gonna click on play. Right here, you can check your team, change your players, and then click on play. And once you click on play, the game will be loading. And once the game has loaded, you're gonna be right here. So what's good in this mode is that they're gonna give you some tips to learn the game. So, for example, in this first mission, you need to come right here in this zone and then try to shoot the ball. So, as you can see, guys, I didn't shoot this time. I'm gonna go back, pick up the ball, and then go back to this place. So, you need to be standing in this zone and then hold the shoot button and make sure that you release the shoot button once the point is in the green circle, and then you will pass the mission. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.